Hi
Hi
guys,
my name is Anita.
my name is Sai. Today we're going to talk about factoring polynomials.
To get to this, you had to FOIL to get to here. And to get to this problem is factoring, so you could get to here. So the problem I have is x squared negative 9. This is a perfect square. There's one number you can multiply by itself to get you negative 9 because there's a visible 0 between x squared and negative 9. So think about the number you could multiply. So it's 3. So now you have to know which one's negative and which one's positive. So this one's a positive and this one's a negative. So this is the answer to get to here. Now we have to check. So now you have to rewrite it. So you have to multiply this with this, this with this. So now you get x squared negative 3x plus 3x negative 9. Now you have to combine like terms. Which ones is it? Is these. So you just have to bring everything down. X squared negative 3x plus 3x equals 0. So you don't have to put the 0. So you just have to bring this one down. Negative 9. And this is your answer.
So for this question, we have 4x squared minus 6n. So you have to look for a number that you can pull out from there. So it's going to be 4. I'm going to pull out 4. So it's going to be x squared minus 4. So you're going to factor what's in the parentheses. So we're going to still bring down the 4 and the parentheses. So it's going to be positive another parenthesis, and it's going to be negative because we have a negative 4. So you have to look for a number that can be multiplied to 4, negative 4. So I think of 2. So 2. So this is the answer for factoring, and don't forget to check. So let's check.
Now you just bring down the 4 and then put everything together. So it's going to be parentheses x squared plus 2x negative 2x negative 4 parentheses. Don't forget to put the parentheses. It's really important. Now you have to combine like terms. So these are it. So now you have to bring everything down again. So it's going to be 4 parentheses x squared negative 4 and then parentheses. Now you have to distribute the 4x squared and the 4 and 4. So it's going to be 4x squared negative 16. And that's your final answer.
Okay. Now we have this problem. So you have to look for a number that can be multiplied to get a and add to get 2. So we're gonna put this. You have to break down this x squared. So it is negative 8. So we have to put 1 negative and 1 positive. And 4 and 2 can be multiplied to get negative 8, and can add to get negative 2. So I picked this number. So this is your answer. Now time to check your answer. So we have to check. We have to distribute them. So it's going to be x squared positive 2. And you have to distribute this one part 2, and then it's going to be negative 4x. And this one going to give me negative 8. And you have to combine like term. X squared can be, it's going to be negative 2x, and you bring down the 8. Here's your answer. This is how you check your answer. Be sure to check your answers. Thanks for watching.